Hello everyone and welcome back to English Class. Today I come with this viral math question. Many fail to solve this. If you solve, then comment to sort out to get sort out in this sort out list. Whatever your answer will be, right or wrong, I will give a shout out. So what we have here, 9 divided by 3 parenthesis 3 minus 1 to the power cube. So here we have to solve here. 9 divided by 3, you will get 3 minus 1, which will be 2 cube, and 2 cube is nothing but 2 times 2 times 2, which equals to 2 times 2 4 times 2, which equals to 8. So we will write 3 times 8 and 8 times 3, which equals to 24. So do you think 24 is the right answer? No, this is not the right way. We have to follow the PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to operate this parenthesis. So here parenthesis, this we will rewrite our question again. 9 divided by 3, 3 minus 1 to the power cube. First we have to operate this one. 3 minus 2, you will get 2. 9 divided by 2, 3 times 2 cube. As you know, 2 cube is nothing but 8. So we will simply write 8 in the place of 2 cube. So our question will remain 9 divided by 3 times 8. So in the next step, as we know, division and multiplication have the same priority and we have to operate from left to right. So first we have to operate this operation actually. So when we solve 9 divided by 3, we will get 3. So we will simply write here 3 times 8. Okay. And now 3 times 8 is nothing but what? 24. So here right answer is 24. But don't follow this method. This is not the right way. Always follow with the order operation PEMDAS to get right answer. Many times this method will give you the wrong answer, and if you are seniors, then must check out the best product list for seniors in the description. And thanks for watching and subscribe channel for more videos.